Hello friends, today video I will show you how to write H2O in Microsoft Word, so you can very easily type H2O in Word. So firstly need to click on insert and this last second option equation, so just click on this symbol equation symbol and now need to script and here need to subscript, so just click on it, the subscript, and now need to here this in the first box need to type here H and press shift and type H, and in second box need to type here 2 and now need to type O. Need to click on here right arrow button, just click on it and now type O. So H2O you can very easily type. This first way. Second way, you need to type H2O and select this H, and in home tab you see this subscript option, so just click on it. So you can very easily type this, and you need to remove this italics language, so just select this and click on in home tab you see this italics option, so just click on it to remove. And this shortcut way is control plus equal to just type here H2O, select the 2 and control plus equal to subscript. So this way you can very easily type H2O in Word. So thanks for watching.